We're in Satellite Beach today. I'm at 471 Coco Plum. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,900 square feet. Let's see what we got. So what I like about this house is take a look at this tile. This house is 1,900 square feet. We're going to start the extra bedrooms. I like this closet door. You're going down. You've got a split plan. I love this tile. Look at the shower tile, y'all. You've got subway tiles, lateral or vertical. Bedroom number 2, 3. Now this is bedroom number 4. But you basically have 2 masters. Here's your closet. Look at this. Nice, right? He's done a nice job. You're out to the pool here. Your laundry room. Laundry room safe. Look at that, huh? Then you're out to the garage. Back in the living. Dining. Love that door. Open to the kitchen. And here's your master. And this was interesting. Got a dedicated air conditioning. Nice size master. Double sinks. Here's that tile again. I love this tile. Penny rounds on the floor. This house has pretty much been redone top to bottom. We'll take a quick look out here. We're close to the city of Satellite Beach. And there you go. Nice deck. This guy likes to use this lava rock. He likes a lot of black. This is pretty. I'll put more in the description if you want to know some more about this house. Let me know. It's awful pretty.